If you are learning how to seed save this year, chances are you're gonna want something to put your seeds in. Here's a cute and easy DIY to save all of your awesome seeds. This project is completely inspired by one of my husband's family members. Shout out Aunt Anne. She had the most beautiful display of seeds and she made all of her own seed packets, legit. The first thing that you're gonna do is start with a pattern. You want to grab an old seed packet and a thin cardboard box. All I did was laid out my seed packet, made a complete rectangle around that, and added 3 sides. So for me, I'm gonna leave out about probably 3/4 of an inch on each side. You can totally measure this. I did it. If you want to make your top flap bigger, that is totally cool. Next thing you're going to do is lay the seed packet on the opposite side where you did not have the 3/4 of an inch, because that is going to be the back of your packet. I find this easy to do with a cereal box because when I lay it down, I can strategically put things in curves so that when I'm done with it, I can, it's easy for it to fold and put away. And after you do that, you are ready to go. You can do this with any kind of paper. If you have cardstock. Me personally, I really like the look of these bags. So for the bag, you just want to cut it so it is completely flat. You're going to want to trace it as many times as your pattern will let you. For that, cut them out individually and then you will be ready to fold. So for me, the folding part is the funnest because I feel like I can really see it coming together. So you're just going to want to fold it. The next thing that you're going to want to do is use glue to seal down the flaps. Now you can use any adhesive you'd like, or you could even just use tape. Personally, we had Elmer's glue, and so that is what we went with. After all that is dry, it comes like the really fun part where you can decorate and do whatever you want to your seeds. Legit. I'm not an artist, and literally I had so much fun creating and making all these. Would be perfect as gifts for your favorite gardener, that garden friend in your life. You're going to want to write down the season that you harvested these seeds in. Write down anything as in when you personally sowed them. If you found this helpful, make sure that you like and subscribe, and as always, friends, make sure that you be kind to yourself. Bye!